Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this Toshiba laptop charger power adapter. The problem in this charger that it is not providing required voltage. Output voltage are just only 3.2 volt, 3.3 volt, like that. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because here are live voltage. I applied power using series lamp. If you are using isolation transformer, that is best option. This cover don't have any screw. Place a sharp screwdriver here in this joint, and by soft hammering it will open very easily. Output voltage just only 3.2 volt. AC input voltage in the bridge rectifier 231 volt. Check DC voltage on this capacitor, and when you are connecting on the PCB, always take care because here are SMD components. Check voltage on main capacitor 333 volts. That means it is just only rectifying the voltage. PFC circuit is not working. Then here are two capacitors used as a VCC capacitor that are at these 2 points. One here, the second here. 3, 4. These 2 points for one capacitor and these two for one capacitor. DC voltage. The voltage are varying. But here is very large variation. Take special care on these laptop adapters because these hold charge for a very long time. On this capacitor, discharge it using any discharging kit or any lamp or whatsoever. Let's move to microscope. I already removed its glue to save the time. This is PFC IC L6561, and here it is using DAP6A, similar to 1200. Pin number 6 VCC. It is connected to this capacitor because this IC provides high voltage from this rail, that is this pin, and it is providing internal voltage to charge this capacitor. That means this IC's internal circuit is good. We need to verify VCC capacitor. First I will check VCC capacitor. Yes, we can see the condition of this capacitor. First it starts internally, then it provides voltage from auxiliary winding. 4.7 microfarad 50 volt, 105 degree centigrade. Yes, it is the same. Luckily I found the same value capacitor. 4.7 microfarad 50 volt, 105 degree centigrade. 4.7, 5.06. That's good. I will check the second capacitor. Thirty-one, 33 microfarad 35 volts. 31.6, that's good. It is acceptable. So we will use the same one. Now we will check the other remaining circuits. Pin number 6 and these voltage are coming here. And this voltage. This transistor is not good. Yes, this is damaged. Yes, emitter, collector. Yes, now this reading is good. Yes, it is also connected with the VCC pin of this uh, PFC controller. That was the reason PFC circuit was not boosting the voltage. That means this PFC circuit was making problem. Let's check it now. That's fantastic. 19.5 volt, 58. Now check VCC voltage. 11.12 volt, stable voltage. When the capacitor was bad, the voltage were fluctuating. 332. Yes, that's nice. 375 volt. Because we are using series lamp. If we are connecting directly, that time it will maintain the voltage. Now I will connect it direct to power. And now I will turn it on. Yes, now it is heating up. That's good. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.